Hi, I'm Steph from the Secret Bridesmaid, and today I'm going to show you how to make this fabulous silk floral bridal bouquet. And as you can see, here's what I prepared earlier. So things that you're going to need are obviously the silk flowers and foliage, as well as ribbon of your choosing, one cable tie, and a decent pair of snips to get through those stems at the end. To start with, I always start with having my greenery all there, and I like to plump it up first and then kind of go through any flowers that might be together and just spread them apart, just to give the bouquet a bit more of a natural look to it, even though we're using silk flowers today. I like to start with the multi-stem flowers first, once I've got all the greenery together.
Up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
And then we'll go in and add the tall ones.
Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
Okay, so you kind of should have a bouquet that has come together like this, and now what you want to do is just kind of look at it top down, and then you can start to spread the flowers out and the foliage where you kind of want it to go, which is the beauty of working with silks. So I'm pretty happy with how that looks at the minute. It's quite a wild bouquet. So what we're going to do now is we are going to take a cable tie and go under the base and just tie it off. You want to go around all the leaves, anything there, pull it really tight, and there you have your bouquet. Really simple. So now what's left to do is we just need to snip all the stems to the right length, to the same length, and then finish it with some ribbon, and there you have it. You have got yourself your very own bridal bouquet. You also want to snip this little guy off.